Hey guys, look at the birds. Look, they're so flying all over the place. Look at them. Small one, big ones, all the way over there. Look at this one. Look at this one. There's so many birds flying. I love it. This is Welcome to My Balcony. The Birds Fly series. Look at them go. Of course, they're all over the place. And I can also see the planes going by. There's a flock all the way over there. There's so many birds. Don't know if you can see that flock. Look at that one. He just went by. How pretty is that? Look, oh, there's another one darting. He is going. They are going wild, guys. This is the view right now from my balcony. Lots of cars. Ugh. But I'm here watching the birds. Here they go. Bird feeder. There they go. How beautiful.